Hello friends, welcome to my channel GK Capsule. This is my sixth lecture on Indian geography in which I'll teach you map-based geography, and this series is important for various examinations like UPSC, CDS, CAPF, SSC, Banking and FCAT. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it soon, and if you want to see the previous lecture, please click here. So let's go towards the part 2 of this lecture. In the part 1 I have told you the deserts of North America, South America, as well as the Australian deserts. So in this series I'm going to teach you the deserts of the Africa as well as Asia as well as the Middle East. So let's go. So first with the Africa, the first important desert here is the Sahara Desert. So this is the largest desert, and it has a span of 11 countries. So 11 countries, we can go count. The first is Morocco, then Western Sahara, then Algeria, then Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali and Mauritania. So these are the 11 countries in which Sahara Desert is located. And the next important desert here, it is the Nubian Desert, and it is also part of eastern extension of the Saharan Desert. So it is located in the northeastern Sudan and North Eritrea. So this is the location. This is the location of this Nubian Desert. This is the Eritrea and this is Sudan. So this is the location. So the next important desert in the Africa is the Namib Desert. So this is the location of the Namib Desert. It is located in 3 countries, namely Angola, Namibia and South Africa. So this is the Namib Desert, and the next is the Kalahari Desert, located here only between the 3 countries, that is Namibia, Botswana as well as South Africa. So these 2 deserts are also very important in Africa. So the next important deserts are in Asia. So in Asia, the first is the Gobi Desert. So Gobi Desert is located in China and Mongolia. So this is the location of the Gobi Desert, actual location. So it is located in Mongolia and China. Okay, the next important desert here is the Taklamakan Desert. So it is solely located in the China. Next important desert is the Thar Desert. It is located in India and Pakistan region. So these are the 3 deserts of the Asia. Now next, let's come to the Middle East. Here the important desert is the Arabian Desert. So Arabian Desert has this is the Arabian Peninsula, and Arabian deserts has the span of these countries, that is the Jordan, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar and Bahrain and Kuwait. So these are the countries which are located in this Arabian Desert. So the next important desert here only, and it is itself the part of the Arabian Desert, and that is called as Rub al Khali Desert. So this is the geographic location of this desert, and it is located in Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman and UAE. So the next important desert here is the Syrian Desert. It is located completely in Syria. This is the Syrian Desert. And the next important desert here in the Iran region, 2 important deserts, that is Daste Kavir and Daste Lut. So you have to remember the sequence of this from north towards south. So these are the 2 important deserts here in Iran also. So let's go towards the Turkmenistan. So here is the important desert, that is the Karakum Desert. So this is the important desert here. Now let's go towards the next rest important deserts which are located outside these regions. The first is in Israel, that is the Negev Desert. So it is also important, and there are the polar deserts. So these polar deserts are, the first is Arctic. This is the Arctic polar region. This is the Arctic Desert. This is the sequence of, this is located the land area which is here. It is the Arctic polar desert, and this is the land area, and it is the Antarctic polar desert. So these Antarctic region and Arctic region are also the polar deserts, which whatever is the land area. In the Arctic Ocean there is a ocean plus the area. So this land area is the desert, polar desert, what we call as. So the next important questions here, the firstly, the largest, if the question will come that what is the largest polar desert, if the polar desert will be asked, then the Antarctica will be the largest polar desert. But if it will be asked the largest desert, that is a non-polar desert, then Sahara Desert will be the largest one. And if it will be asked the smallest desert, then the Namib Desert in the Africa that we have studied here, this is the smallest desert. So friends, with this lecture we have completed the desert series. So these are all the important deserts which can come in the examinations. Out of this, very less chances are there that out of this deserts whatever I have taught you will come. So please prepare it very well, because it will be going to come in any of the examinations. So please subscribe to my channel soon. Thank you very much.